Hello friends, welcome to our video tutorial channel about notes. So friends, press the bell icon to never miss the update. Here onwards we are going to study the new series of NCERT Class 7 Geography, under which today we are going to study first chapter of a geography. The name of the chapter Environment, where we will study what is environment, the component of environment. After the long vacation, when Ravi started going to the school, he was discussing certain things with his classmate, and he curiously said that he couldn't able to see the only playground which is next to his school was dug up. This discussion observed by the principal, and principal said, "See how our environment is changing." In the class, Ravi asked his teacher, "What is environment?" Teacher replied, "Whatever you see in our surrounding is nothing but environment." Ravi thought aloud, that means the school building, the table, chair in the classroom, even that open field, the road, the garbage, my friends, all are parts of our environment. While teacher replied, there are two types of environment. One is created by nature, other one is created by people. Where nature examples are mountain, river, trees, while people made things called as a road, cars, cloth, etc. New, here is your first assignment. Now list out the creation of a nature and creation of human being and comment those in the comment box. Let me tell you, my friend, we always check your comments. So let's read the right hand side column, where environment is basic life support of a system. It provides air we breathe, the water we drink, and food we eat. Also the land we live. How do human beings modify this nature environment? The car fumes pollute the air. The water we collected in a pot, food we serve in the vessel, and the land we use to build the factories. Human beings make car, mills, factories, and manufactures containers. This is how human beings modify natural environment. Please mention such things which are modifying the nature by human being in the comment box. Let's study the component of an environment. Here in this picture, there are three type of a component of a environment: natural, human made, and human. As we already studied, so let's revise the things. First, natural. Water is a hydrosphere, air gives atmosphere, land provides lithosphere, and living things called biosphere. Human-made content building, park, bridges, roads, monument, industries, etc. And humans are nothing but individual, family, community, religion, the educational, economic, political situations, etc. Iqbal asked the reason behind changing environment to the teacher. Teacher replied that our needs getting increased day by day, and because of that we are modifying or at a times even destroying our natural surrounding. Example, people are using car instead of a mass transport facility like bus, metro, local, etc. So from above conversation, you will understand that the place, people, things, and the nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is combination of a natural and a human-made phenomena, while the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic condition. Let's study the words biotic and abiotic. Biotic word of living organism is nothing but a biotic, while the word of non-living element is called as a abiotic. Word Environment. Environment is French word derived from environner or environneur, meaning neighborhood. The next topic is natural environment. Land, water, air, plant, and animal comprise the natural environment. You are familiar with the meaning of a lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere from your previous classes. So let's learn some more facts about these domains. So lithosphere is a solid crust and hard top layer of earth. It is made up of rock and mineral and covered by thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateau, plain, valley. Landforms are nothing but the formation of the surface of the earth. Landforms are found over the continent and also on the ocean's floor, as we couldn't able to see below the water, but the landforms are also formed on the surface of ocean. Lithosphere is a domain that provide us forest, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlements. That is, we can stay. It is also a source of mineral wealth. Mineral wealth, that is iron, bauxite, minerals, magnesium, etc. etc. Let's study, let's do. Look at your surrounding. Make a list of usage that the land in your neighbor is being put to. Comment that in the comment box, and let me tell you, my friends, we always check your comments. Here in this figure, the domain of environment is shown, where biosphere is a combination of everything. Atmosphere is nothing but a air. Hydrosphere is nothing but a water. Lithosphere is a soil. And combination of all three leads to the formation of a biosphere. The domain of water is referred as hydrosphere. It is comprise various sources of water and different type of water bodies like river, lake, sea, ocean, etc. It is essential for all living organism because we drink water and everybody who is on the earth need to drink the water. The atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us. The harmful layers or rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases and a dust, water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. The plant and animal kingdom togetherly make a biosphere or a living world. It is narrow zone of earth where land, water, air interact with each other to support the life. Here we conclude this topic. I hope you enjoyed the lecture very well. If you have any query, please feel free to comment below. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel Abound Notes. Thank you.